You're at home with your family when a fire breaks out. What's the first thing you would try and save?
My cat Lily.
My grandmother's jewelry.
Our family photos.
The only thing you need to get out of your house is yourself.
Hi, I'm John Niehaus with the Rapid City Fire Department. October 3rd through the 9th is Fire Prevention Week, and a perfect time to check your smoke detectors. A working smoke detector is one of the best defenses in the event of a fire. Increase your survival rate by 50% and check your batteries 4 times a year. Then test your smoke detector every month. Smoke alarms, a sound you can live with.